Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Market. So welcome to Market Profile Learning. So we'll see the tomorrow's analysis. Before getting into that, the Market Profile and Order Flow training for the January 11, 2025, which is an English batch. Saturdays and Sundays consist of 3 days, 3 hours per hour per day, and from market profile beginning till advanced level along with that order flow learnings will be using it. So today I'll show you how beautifully market profile respected that level. So that's how there are so many concepts in market profile which we'll be discussing in lot of things in live market as well. So Monday to Friday we'll be having to and fro charts. Along with that, we'll be assigning you homeworks, and along with that you can also raise your questions. So weekend sessions will be having continuous practical learnings of market profile along with that order flow. So why the smart money is created, why smart money enter this level, why there is a big rally in the stock, so why there is a fall in the stock, so what happens, what is the reason for this fall. So everything will analyze, and yes, it is going to be an mainly a group session, but you can also contact one-on-one for any of your doubts, and as well as we do provide lifetime support. That is on we do open a community, that is a Telegram channel for a separate batch, and from there you can raise your questions at any point of time after joining the training. So you can also be an intraday player and scalper and swing and long term. It differs, so the profile will tell you in this day you can be an intraday player, in this day you can be a scalper, in this day you can plan for your long-term opportunities. So the profile will keep on telling you. So with that note, if you are interested, kindly contact the WhatsApp number for registration. The registrations are going on. So getting into the today's nitty, how beautifully the levels are respecting. See this how the market profile will tell you the conviction. So this POC we have been seeing for so many times, even for more than 10 days around this period. We are seeing this every single day right from now. 18th of December, 19th of December, this POC is keep on respecting, and even today, if you see, market has come to this level but have not broken this level. That's how this POC has been created. Just like that, it's a common POC. If you see, it's a normal red color line POC, but the POC has been created for multi-day support. So everything differs. So POC has been created for multi-day support. It can also be created for intraday levels. So with that, but that data we are identifying, we are researching, and we analyzing that this POC is created either for multi-day levels or for intraday levels. So that kind of information market profile will give you. So whether this level is going, I as we told, as we discussed, like this level is a very important level, that is 23,550 to 600. Today also market reacted with that level. So perfect reaction for Nifty, and Nifty beginning of the market, it's a complete V-shaped recovery today. So beginning of the market, what happened? Nifty, IT and Nifty Reality was almost down by 1.5%, which we have come in live today. So live trading sessions are around 10:30 in the morning. We have participated, and few people have participated in that live session also. So there we have focused. Reliance was in good shape. Reliance is keep on giving us support, but Bank Nifty and IT's level so weak. But after that, what happened? IT was also getting reversed. So Nifty properly got its reversal because it is a stronger level of support, and so far this level is not broken in Nifty. So Nifty, if at all, it started to come on upside because it's a key level, and 23,550 below only, it's a clear alert around down upside. If Nifty started to come on upside, definitely 23,900 is going to be an important resistance because it's a selling single print, and so far last 2 days it was properly respecting. That's how the resistance was fixed in market profile, and that's how it is very visible also. So above this level 24,000 and 150 to 200, and on downside if started to come, then intraday levels from the POC, then the immediate support is 23,600 to 500, and if this level breaks, then 23,350 to 400. As we discussed many times, this was an untested peacock. So Nifty with that support, a complete V-shaped recovery, both side, if you see, a clear selling and clear buying, and it's again a directional selling and directional. Once it get a support, it got its buying. So everything, it was directional. That's how the preparation will go on. If you have the understanding of market profile, that will tell you very clearly the before day itself what is the expectation, and unexpected things may happen. So that time live market, it will be much more easier for you to take trade decisions. And Reliance wise, it is obviously having a P-shaped profile, but tomorrow the follow-up should be there. So that is very important. But 1200 level so far, it was super protected. And moving on to Bank Nifty, especially ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, before getting into Bank Nifty, I'll show you ICICI Bank has created a selling single trend today. So it's a very important level. So smart money selling, and especially in the C period, we have seen that is people who participated in the live channel. So we have seen that C period, especially in the 10:30 time and all, it was very fast. So the candle is very fast, and it has created a lot of single trends in banks, bank nifty and nifty. So that time what happened, a continuous rejection happens, and after that ICC bank was a clear smart money selling with the selling single print evidence. So it was still inactive. So tomorrow we need to add this for your analysis. And moving on to bank nifty, so yes, Bank Nifty, a proper rejection also we have seen today, because it's a PPOC rejection, and PPOC has been that is, we have discussed this level last 2 days. There is a same level, same range of PPOC and POC has been created, and today it was perfectly used as a resistance. And these are the some of the concepts which we actually discussed a lot in our training, and one among it is PPOC and POC. So along with that, it's a perfect resistance 50,500, and where it got its perfect support. Even though if you see, this level was broken, this PPOC level was broken, but the closing happens above this level. That's how the even this level was broken, but the closing almost happened above this level. So that's how, even though market went below this level of 49,800, and 49,800 proper place for them to build a POC for today, but even then market goes down. So there was no big order flow support, which we also seen discussed in our channel meeting, live market time also. So if you see here, proper buying has come into this level, and market also almost closed above this level of 50,000. So it's a key level, again and again keep on respecting. So market, if at all started to continue above side, 5400 to 500 is a proper resistance, and 5800 as well. And one more resistance is 51,000. If on downside, definitely 49,600. For that, 49,600 should break, and to go further, then there is a proper support for bank nifty further, but still no closing happens below this level of 49,800 so far, even today. So that's how the profile helps you with the prior expectations and learnings and all. If you're interested, kindly contact the WhatsApp number. So with that note, if you really like the analysis, kindly do your sorry, if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share, and subscribe the channel, and kindly comment on it. So if you really been interested for the separate English video, so that I could able to know. And thank you all, but please do your analysis before you take trade. This is purely for education purpose. Thank you all.